Hey guys, in this video we'll discuss regarding power of imagination. If you understand this, that you can create anything in your imagination. As Einstein said once, knowledge can take you from A to B, but imagination can take you anywhere. You can imagine the whole cosmos and you can reprogram your subconscious mind. And you can create your own imagination, not dependent on someone else, not dependent on imagination is not dependent on someone else. You are not the second hand knowledge. You create your own imagination, create anything. If you can understand this, you can create anything in this universe. If you imagine something, you can create anything. Anything which was created in this universe was first created in the mind. And even like anything, you can imagine a lifestyle, you can imagine a relationship, you can imagine creating something innovating, you can imagine anything. So you can create your whole life, a new life with imagination. You can completely reprogram your subconscious mind. And when you completely reprogram your subconscious mind, then even when you are not conscious, you will go in that direction in which the subconscious is feed it. Don't and never self-sabotage yourself. Never give signal of self-sabotage. Imagination has great power. You have infinite potential, and with imagination you can change anything. You can fix up everything. And when you are in the age of 20s, then never lose hope. You have a great future which is waiting for you. Always be positive, and you can create anything in your imagination if you understand the significance of this. If you understand the value of this, anything you can create, you can completely transform your life with the power of imagination. And it's like, and no, don't get too serious also if you do not exactly create, because this physical world, that's like a play only. It's like a game, so don't take it too much seriously also. Yeah, on the level of health and some values, not hurting anyone, that is fine. But imagination is awesome tool. You can imagine anything, you can create a life, completely reprogram your subconscious mind. And even when you are not conscious, then also will go in that direction. 95% of the time of your day, your subconscious is working. So if you reprogram the subconscious mind, then even the 95% of the time you will be going in that direction in which you want to go. And you can completely transform your life with this power of imagination. Hopefully this video was helpful for you, and imagine what you want to create and you can create that. Thanks for watching the video.